So I wanted to come on and show you how I clean my glass to use the Colors for Earth enamels, okay? And that way you'll know how to do it. Here's our website, phone number, and email. So I'm using white distilled vinegar. That seems to work the best with our products. So I've just put some on a paper towel, and I'm going to wipe off any markings, stickers, and clean that glass well. This was a heavy duty marker. I've already taken a sticker that was down here near the bottom, but one of the things, even though you go over it with the distilled, sometimes there's still residue there, and I have found, I don't remember who told me about this, but this is a part of a magic eraser, like Mr. Clean magic eraser, and my sticker was down here. This is just the generic one. You can buy them on Amazon, but I use that to clean the sticker off or any sticky residue, if there'd been tape on it or whatever. And then I come back and clean it with my vinegar. And then try not to touch the glass with your fingers, hand, anything. Just handle it with a paper towel versus touching it. Make sure you get your edges, just because you could have a marker if you've laid out, where you want your cut lines to be. This particular piece is double thick, so 6 millimeter, sorry about that. So double thick, that I'm going to use for a project. Okay, so just double check that you've got all your areas cleaned, and then I like to put down a paper towel. I'm going to grab it with this one. That way I've got something underneath it that I can grab and move it with also. Get one more over here. Alright, and then I'm good to go. That way I can kind of move it and do whatever I need to do with it. Okay? Another little trick, after you've, when you're starting to work on your glass, you can take another paper towel and you can put it down so that you can rest your hand on it, so that as you're working, you're not putting a wrist print down on your glass that could repel your color. Okay? Alright, hopefully that helps you get started with your glass painting, and join me for another video coming soon.